what's up? Today I want to show you the quickest, easiest, and most delicious chickpea and orzo avgolemono soup. Crazy good, really easy to make, and it's going to be done in like 15 minutes or less. So first things first, let's fire up our element here. Get this going. Super easy. It starts off basically with 1 liter of water. I'm going to go into my pot, and I always mess this up. Oh, I didn't spill anything anywhere. 1 liter of water will go in there. Nothing to this. What I'm going to add to this is some organic chicken base. You can make your own chicken base. I do it all the time. But in the real world, we don't always have that kind of time. And unless you're like in a garden, that's okay. We make our own. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to do 1 very generous heaping tablespoon of my chicken base is going to go in this. Nothing to this at all. And it adds a beautiful flavor. You know what? Real life, what are you going to do? Now, we're just going to let that go here, bring that up to a boil. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. I'm also going to add a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper as well. Very easy. Now, the chickpea part of this. I, for one, am all about frozen or fresh. I get that. When I can't find those things, or dry, especially when it comes to legumes, dry is always good too. I don't happen to have any now, so what I'm doing is I'm just using a can of chickpeas. Here's the thing. Personally, I like to watch my salt and sodium intake. It's a temple. I can't even say that with a straight face. But here's the thing. If you two don't want that much salt or sodium in your diet, or you want to control it, what I just do is very simply, I throw these into a strainer, and I just real quick rinse them off with water. Doesn't take long, but what will happen is the preserving liquid of this that has all of the sodium in it is going to be gone. And you're going to be left with just the essence of these chickpeas. So, chickpeas are going in. Our water has come up now to a boil, or our soup has come up to a boil. Time to add the orzo. And for this, handful. Literally a handful. Just like that. Depends on your handful. Some hands are bigger than others. But generally, a handful. Our soup will be ready basically to finish off when the orzo gets done. Now, for those of you, it depends. You may want your orzo on the al dente side. I don't know why, but that's cool. But typically, like most things Greeks cook, it is cooked to like beyond life. All right, so we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. My orzo is pretty much almost done. It's just smelling like heaven now. Like the soup base, my stock and everything is coming along nice. It's just infusing with the chickpeas and the orzo, made the water nice and starchy. Perfect. The next and most important part is the avgolemono. So, remember this from our liter measure. Oh, a little bit of water in there. This is what I'm going to use to make my avgolemono. This method here is tried, tested, true, and foolproof. If you ever had like issues with avgolemono, watch me now. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to take 3 eggs, yolk and white, and I'm just going to throw them into my mixing bowl, or my measuring cup in this case. The next thing I'm going to get in these high budget productions is a fork. Just going to whip up my egg real quick. as if I'm scrambling it, which I am. The next part, and another uber important part, is lemon juice. Please don't use that lemon shit that's in that green bottle. It's not lemon juice. It's like scented window cleaner. It's no good. Every time I hear somebody telling or saying that to me, that they use that for their like cooking, I just want to kill myself. Like I don't know. Like, and for this, I'm just going to add, it's true, I'm going to add the juice of one decent sized lemon. And again, mix this up, make this all nice and incorporated. You with me so far? 3 eggs, the juice of 1 lemon. And now that that's kind of mixed in there and ready to go, the next most important part, let me just find a ladle here, is how are we going to get this egg mixture not to curdle and become gloopy and gross and shitty? Well, let me tell you, it's called tempering. And all I'm going to do, very carefully, I'm going to take a very small amount of liquid and I'm going to add it to my eggs and keep stirring it around. You're going to be doing this multiple times because if you don't, you're going to get the scrambled egg effect, and that's no good. And again, same deal. Little by little, make sure you don't get any of that other stuff in there, and just stir it around and keep moving it, just like that. See what I'm doing now? And you're going to notice that my egg mixture now, or you're going to notice in your egg mixture actually, that the eggs are going to be warming up, the temperature is going to be going up, but they're going to be maintaining their creamy consistency. And that's exactly what you want. Baby, does that ever smell good? And like I said, this is one of those dishes that this step here is all the marbles. If you don't get this right, you're going to get like these like scrambled kind of eggs that are gloopy and gross and not good at all. And this is almost a velvety kind of soup. So you don't want to screw this step up. And this should do it right about there. Oh, got a chickpea in there, put that back. All right, perfect. So now my lemon egg mixture has come right up to temperature. I think you can even see it smoking or steaming a little bit. Now, what I'm going to do with this is, number 1, turn off your heat. You're done cooking. We're done cooking this now. Just while I stir this, I'm going to slowly, very slowly, start adding my lemon and egg mixture into this. And that's perfect right there, just like that. That is absolutely wonderful. See that? No curdling at all. No separation from the eggs whatsoever. Last part of this is I'm going to take a little bit of parsley and I'm going to add it in here just to kind of accent or augment the flavor. Here's the thing. Like most Greek dishes, Greeks will probably put this much earlier in the recipe. Like, I mean, it's no joke. We will basically cook the Jesus out of anything. So for that, just do whatever you like. I like to do it at this stage here, but whatever you want to do is totally fine. So I'm going to take this, just throw that in there, just like that. And my friends, my Avgolemono soup with chickpeas and orzo is absolutely done. Done. Gorgeous. And it's got a beautiful velvety consistency. The smell, wait till I try this now. Oh, I can't wait. My favorite part. Oh, that right there is come cuddle me good. That's how good that is. So delicious, so lemony, so creamy. Absolutely magnificent. Oh, wow. So my friends, that's my chickpea and orzo avgolemono soup, done and dusted in 15-20 minutes. Tops. Basically, this soup will take as long as your orzo takes to cook. So that's it for my super easy and quick chickpea and orzo avgolemono soup. Takes no time to make. It's super delicious and absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. With a capital wow. I thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hit that like button and subscribe. Check me out online as well for this recipe and more others. I'm constantly adding recipes to the website, where you can check me out at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye for now.